Alright, now is where things start to get interesting. So what we're going to do in this section is we're going to recreate this kitchen remodel cost worksheet. So the first thing you would do is go to File and New and double click on Blank Workbook. And that's going to create a blank spreadsheet for you that we can then recreate our kitchen remodel costs worksheet. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to save this as. So we're going to go to File, Save As, and we go to the desktop, and then I created that folder called Excel Examples. So I just click on the folder and I'll rename this Kitchen Remodel Costs and click Save. And now you can see it's changed to Kitchen Remodel Costs up here. And now whenever we click Save, that'll just continue to save it into that folder as that file, and we won't have to worry about accidentally closing it after we're done and forgetting to save it. So the first thing we're going to do is create that heading. So you click in the middle of this cell and drag it across to highlight the top 4 cells. And then you go up to here and you click Merge and Center. And that combines all of those cells, so we just have one big cell for our heading. And then if you double click in there, it puts the cursor in there. And then you just type in Kitchen Remodel Costs and double click it again. Click out of the cell and then click back to the cell. That'll highlight the entire cell. And then it's already centered because it automatically did that. But we're going to change some things about this. We're going to make it bold. And we're going to make it, let's do it 22 point font. And you'll notice that it is too big to fit now. But what you can do is grab this and drag it, and that will give you some more space. So now it fits in there just fine. And then we'll go in and add the color to it too. So this is your text color and this is your background color. You can highlight that and then just go pick the color that you want. And there it is. Now the last thing we'll do is expand these columns a little bit so that we have plenty of room to put in our different line items, and we'll get right to that in the next lecture.